Hello friends, let us resume our retopology of the bird, the cartoon bird, and let us merge over here this vertex to this, M for merge at center, this one to this, M for merge at center. Okay, and what we can do is can come to the edge selection, extrude these, rotate, extrude, 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 rotate, extrude, extrude. Now we could do one thing, right? This to this, this, shift select this, F, this, shift select this, F. Now first we'll have to move the points, I believe. Then it becomes convenient, right? Shift select F. Okay, yeah. Now what do we join? Yeah, this one to this. Okay, extrude, extrude, right, and F, join here. Join this to this. Always shift select. Join this to this. Okay. Join this to this. This to this. This to this. Okay. Control S, keep saving. Similarly, join. Where do we join? This to this. This to this. This to this. Okay. Control S, keep saving. And extrude, join this to this. Let's move the points. To this to this. Okay. Control S, keep saving. This to this. This to this. Oh, this becomes a try. We wanted to avoid creating tries. Okay, what shall we do? What shall we do? Let us think of a solution. Okay, grab it here. What if we split it here? Okay, slide, snap, split. No, it didn't get split. Okay, suppose you join this and this, what happens? Merge. Yeah, we'll do one thing. Yes, 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 the idea. Here you can get a quad. Okay, you delete this face and this edge to this edge. If you got a quad here, right? We managed to create a quad there also. Till now we have almost avoided creating tries. We have been able to create quads quite successfully. Okay, this to this. Here again this becomes a try. Okay, these are tries here. So what do? We delete this face. So if we make this to this, becomes a quad, right? Yeah, here also you can get a quad. Remove the point. Opposite, yeah. This one goes up. Here you can get a quad. Okay. There are 4 sides. You got a quad here also. So managed to get quads. Okay, quad geometry. That's nice. We are managing to get quad geometry over here. What about here? Are we getting a quad geometry? Yeah. Here we're getting a try. Okay. So move this. So suppose we delete this face. This and this comes quad, right? Suppose we merge these 2 points. Is there a point there? No. There is no point there. Okay. What is this supposed to be? Yeah, we're getting quad here, is it? No. We got a big try over here, right? Suppose we merge. Where is okay? Merge at center. We got to try there. If we merge at center, we get so many tries. Okay. So what do we do here? Shall we cut it, split this? What happens if we split this? No, we haven't been able to split that. Yeah, suppose we split over here. This one. We still got to try over here, right? First try, okay. Okay, anyhow, you can't avoid it, I think. Some tries have to be there, but majority of them should be quads, right? Couldn't have avoided over there, okay. So where things are obvious that fill up the gaps. What here? Shall we cut a seam over here? Control R. Okay. Control S. Keep saving, keep saving. Okay. Okay. Face these, join these, okay, and then this to this. I told you, I think we can't avoid tries, okay. Some places will have to have tries. Anyhow, we'll think of a solution. Maybe it would be possible to get rid of tries later on, right? Right now we are trying to fill up these gaps, right? This to this, F, this to this, F. Points we could move around. Okay, Control S, keep saving. Extrude. We can merge these points here and to merge at center, merge at center, okay. create a loop here. We have cut a loop over here, and this to this, F, this to this, F, this to this, this to this try, I think. This also becomes a try. Control S, keep saving. Okay. This to this, this to this. I could move this point. Okay. Try to make it as neat as possible. Okay. Trying to make it as neat as possible, okay? That's what I said. Yeah. Cut a loop over here. Not so. What about here? We could cut here, right? This to this. Let's keep saving. Yeah, this try also has to be connected. Okay, if we delete this edge, you can make it a quad, I think. Oh, wow, what's happened? Why this sort of thing? Okay. Let's move around the points. Let's move points around. Oh, why that's not working, I don't know. Yeah, it's worked now. Control S. It's so jagged. That place seems so jagged. Okay. Yeah. Leave it now. Okay. Control S. Keep saving always. Keep saving always. Again, the point, again here, extrude, extrude, got a loop over here, right? And we could do one thing. Okay, this one to this we could merge at center, this to this, merge at center, this to this, merge at center. Control S, keep saving. F. Got a loop over here. This to this, this to this. Got quads there, right? Control S, keep saving. Keep saving, right? Got a loop over here. This to this. This to this. This to this. This to this. Control S, keep saving. This to this. Control S, keep saving. So the lower body seems to have been done, right? So the toughest part is left. Okay. So what I plan to do is we'll take up the toughest part maybe in the last part of our retopology, okay? And let us see how to adjust it and try to get rid of tries. It may not be possible. Let us see what to do. Otherwise, we have made the minimum number of tries. Most of them are quads. It should work, right? Okay then, friends. Hope you are enjoying this series of topology, manual topology creation. It's boring at times, but then if you have to get a good result, you have to work hard. Okay then, bye for now. See you in the next, in the final. I hope that will be the final for finishing up the head. Okay, bye, take care, have a good day, see you again.